Hello family, thank you so much for tuning in to Vlogmas Day 6. Today I just have like a quick gift guide video for you all. Quick and fast gifts for like Christmas parties, gifts for stocking stuffers, just gifts for your co-workers. I know a lot of people are going to be doing those white elephant games and Secret Santa, and I just want to share some quick, inexpensive gifts that you can come up with and prepare really fast and really quickly. Okay, the first thing that I want to show you are, look at these cups, y'all. This is new this year at Dollar Tree. We have a lot of different cups at Dollar Tree that comes out during this time of the year, but these little short tumblers, this one right here says it's the most wonderful time, and I love the fact that it has like the glitter. I also like the fact that it's red. I love red and white. Red, white, and green is staples for Christmas decor to me. I love the traditional Christmas colors, and this particular cup slides off like this, so it gives you plenty of room. Hallelujah, for gifts and stuff like that. I just thank God for these little cute ideas. Lord, I just felt like going to church for a minute. I had to say hallelujah because it's God that blesses us to be able to come up with these ideas, and he also blessed the people that makes these different items and stuff, and we can get them for a value price. So I am grateful unto God for that. So what I'm gonna do is, first thing first, you can do cup gifts. You can also do little small baskets, but I'm going to show you how to do smaller gifts. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this cup here and we're going to combine this. This is also like a nice scent that they have. When you're doing gift baskets or gifting in any type of form or way, always make sure you get the gift packs that have multiple items in one pack. It's really good to get those packs that have multiple items, because those 3 items can go amongst all your cups or anything like that, or baskets, or you can actually take the whole pack and use it as that one gift. So this cup right here was $1.25. This pack right here was $1.25 as well. And you can, I'm still having a hard time. Let me see. There we go. Okay. Now, it's the cinnamon roll, scented shower gel, and you also have the 2 bath bombs. So we're gonna take this, open it up, place it in there like that, add your 2 bath bombs. I'm trying to tell you, a lot of these little cups make great gifts. Let's see if I can set that up. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You got a cup that you could drink out of, and you also have some bubble bath and bath bombs, and all of this is under $5. Under $5 at your local Dollar Tree. Let's go to the next one. Wow, I found so much stuff. Now, this one right here I thought was really cute to make. This one is a pencil holder. Purchase these cute little iridescent pencil holders from Dollar Tree. They come in circle shapes. They come in rectangle trays that you could use. And these right here make perfect gifts for little stocking stuffers, or Secret Santa, or the white elephant gifts like I mentioned before. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna lay out all the things that I have to go in there. The first thing I have this spray here. This is from Walmart. Walmart has these dollar sparkling winter apple sprays. They had like a gingerbread man spray. They also had like a vanilla scented spray, and this is $1 at Walmart. And guess what? This one right here smells just like the winter candy apple Bath and Body Works. This is what this smells like. It is so close. It's almost spot on to that scent. So if you see this at your local Walmart, make sure you pick it up. So we're gonna put this inside of the container itself. Lay that just like that. And they also had, which I thought was cute as well, and I really loved it, pomegranate punch. And this is the glowing bath salt and body wash set, which is so cute. It's a double, like I told you earlier, make sure you hop on these double buys. Any packs that have multiple in the pack, and you can make like more than one basket or gift out of, grab these. This also came in some other scents as well, so we're gonna put that in here too. And I like matching labels. I love that. Normally when I do gifts, I try to match the containers according to the colors of the gifts and the sprays or the body wash labeling. I like to make sure I make that all match. And also, last but not least, we also have this mini lip balm set. And this one right here comes 3 in the pack for $1.25. And I'm gonna open this. Add the fresh lime to it because y'all have the green colors. Only thing you have to do is just wrap it up with a little bit of tissue paper and your what you call it, the basket wrap or any type of transparent paper or bag will work, and tie your Christmas bow to this. And this right here, another gift under $5. Sit there now right here too. And what I also like to do too, when I buy these combo packs like this, I like to take it and add different things to each combo pack. Like this particular body wash has like the red, and the cup is red, so I'm gonna add in this sweet grapefruit mini lip balm to this as well, because I bought a combo pack, so I was able to add more items to this gift. So we're gonna put it right here. The Dollar Tree is fully stocked. I know my local Dollar Tree is fully stocked with these items like this, and I'm trying to tell you, they're not going to be there for long. So now you have like all your cute little items in there, and I love to see these little cups like this because I know Five Below carry these cups as well, and they are so cute. But they're $5, but you can do this under $5 at our local Dollar Tree. And look out also for this pack right here. I'm gonna share this with you all. This was a foot star kit. I'm not gonna use this for my particular gifts for today, but I had to grab it because I knew that I'll be making more gifts and I wanted to have these. It's a foot scrub, foot mask, foot lotion, 3-in-1. I love these gifts like these. They're just so high-end looking, and it just pulls everything together. So I pray that you all enjoy these tips and these ideas on how to create inexpensive small gifts for parties and family events. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and be intentional on today. Be intentional. Pray for someone, love on someone, and always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you all in my next video. Until next time.